Hello everyone and welcome to Digimento. So as you can see from the name itself, this session is all about talking that how one should prepare for his or her exam. And now since other exam dates have been given by the NTA, so we can expect that net exam date will be given very soon. So if you want to join the Telegram channel, you can join this t.me/net ria digimento. Okay, so here we provide all the PDFs that are necessary for you, all the questions. We try to provide the questions that are important for exam point of view. Okay, so before moving forward, just I just want to inform everyone about what type of courses we are having. So when you will visit the Digimento website, you can see here they have given few phone numbers that you can call if you have any query. And if you want to take any course, if you want to enroll in any course, you can use the code welcome 40 in order to get 40% off. Okay, so we have different courses. Okay, we have courses for gate students who want to prepare for gate, students who want to prepare for net, and other exams like TGT, PGT. All courses are there. Then we have two types of classes. One is your live class and one is your recorded class. Okay, and then we have plus test series, and plus we provide the PDF to you. So in if you are interested in buying the live class, you can take a subscription for live class. If you are not in the state of buying the live class subscription, you can go for the recorded as well. Okay, so do visit the website and do check out yourself different courses that we provide. And there are subject wise courses as well. So if you don't want to buy the entire series, you can buy the series subject wise. Okay, if there's any subject you feel that you are weak in, you can take that subscription as well. Okay, so this is for the courses that are there. Then this is the NTA site page. So here you can see that correction application form December 2020 cycle, that the exam of December 2020 that was bound to happen at in May 2021. The correction window is open. So applications are already filled. All those who have filled these applications can now check if you want to correct your application, if you want to change the center of your application, if you want to change, if you want to make any change, you can apply for that change, you can make that change. Okay, so right now no other information has been provided by NTA, but expect that very soon they'll give you the information regarding your exam and your date. Okay, then now for making a strategy, it is very important that you should know that what was the pattern, what were the questions, what was the topics that was asked in 2020 computer science question paper, the exam that was held in November 2020. So before moving forward, before making a strategy, it is very necessary that we should make an analysis. We should analyze that what was 2020 question paper all about. Okay, so I have tried to make a table of all the subjects that we have, and I have tried to note down the question numbers that were there from particular subject, plus the topics that from where the questions were being asked. Okay, so if you see here, the first subject is discrete mathematics. The subjects are ordered in number in term as your in your PDF they have ordered the series. So in that series I have marked the subjects. So if you see this, the first subject is discrete mathematics. So from discrete mathematics 12 questions were asked. Okay, so we it is generally written, if you have seen it or not I don't know, that from each subject, that out of 10 units that you have, from each unit 10 questions will be asked. Okay, this is what they have mentioned. 10 units we have and 10 questions from each unit, so it will make you 100 questions. But if you see here, the distribution is not much to our, what we can say, ki somewhere some subjects are given much weightage and somewhere some subjects are given some less weightage. So if you see here, discrete में से they gave 12 questions. Okay, and what were the topics? If you see, predicate and propositional logic. Okay, cool. Predicate, propositional logic, first आपका logic है, correct. Then we had a question from permutation and combination. Okay, then we had a question from graph theory. From graph theory there were 2 or 3 questions and it included coloring concept as well. Then we had a linear programming that is from optimization, and we had a question from relation. I think 2-3 questions were from relation also. So you can see here, from discrete mathematics they didn't ask the question from group theory, right, and they didn't ask the question from induction. So if you know that logic, graph theory, relation, linear programming, they all are already very important topics as considered from the discrete mathematics point of view, right? So if you are not and discrete mathematics is a very important unit from net point of view. So in any case, if you have not prepared, or if you are a little bit worried about this subject, about this unit, then please do start preparing for it first and foremost. Why? Because from discrete mathematics, as you can see, 12 questions are asked, and in every year mostly around 10 to 12 questions are asked. Okay, so it is very necessary that आपकी जो preparation है, it is basically based on this thing. Okay, so discrete mathematics, very important topic. And from, if you can see here, from discrete they have not asked a question from group theory से generally questions थोड़े कम पूछे जाते हैं, but you, if you have not touched that topic, do go through it. अगर मतलब what you can do is, I have already covered discrete mathematics, ठीक है, I have covered group theory, so you can watch those videos. They will help you in order to revise the concepts, in order to understand the concepts of discrete mathematics. Okay, then second unit is basically computer system architecture. In this they have concluded both these two units, that is digital logic design and computer system architecture. And you can see from this total 10 questions are asked, right? 2 questions from digital logic and 8 questions from computer system architecture. 8 questions. Okay, so K-map is very easy concept, number system is very easy concept. From digital logic, counters are there, flip-flops are there, so they have not touched those concepts, they have only given very easy concepts, okay? And this topic, K-map, number system, and these predicate logic, these are topics that everybody has studied. So there's not, they have not given anything that nobody has studied, or that is something new, right? Then from computer system architecture, one question was from multiprocessor. Now this is marked in red. Why this is marked in red? Because when earlier exams were used to held, multiprocessor was in the subject, but questions were not asked from multiprocessor, right? So now in 2020, they have given one question from multiprocessor. Then we have this assembly language. Assembly language say they give you questions, no, what will be the value of accumulator and like that. Then pipeline, very important topic. Speed up, another important topic. Cache mapping, another very important topic. So rest all the topics, if you see the questions that are being asked, only multiprocessor is one topic that you might not have studied. Okay, you might have left it, but rest all the topics are the one that you must have studied. And if you have not studied, you should start preparing these topics, because these topics are important. Pipeline से question आना ही आना है, very important topic है, ठीक है? Then if you see from programming languages, and computer graphic makes one unit in your syllabus, and from this also 10 questions are asked in total. Okay, so C से क्वेश्चन आया था, XML से क्वेश्चन आया था, HTML से क्वेश्चन आया था. Okay, so now these two topics, XML and HTML, though they are not new and many students have prepared it, but still बहुत सारे students जो हैं वो इसे छोड़ देते हैं, ठीक है? And from computer graphics, shading and curves were the two topics that were new for many of us. Why? Because shading से कभी question पूछा नहीं गया, form shading और art shading कभी नहीं आया है. Curves, Bezier curves and all, these curves were also never asked. So 2D transformation, very easy topic, and one of the most important topics of computer graphics. तो ये तो जो भी computer graphics करता है वो करता ही है 2D transformation, right? Then we had projection. Projection is also another very important topic from computer graphics. So the two new topics that nobody expected were shading and curves. Okay, then we have DBMS. 11 questions from DBMS alone. Concurrency control, easy, everybody must have studied it. Data mining, डेटा माइनिंग से क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, बट इस बार जो क्वेश्चन आया था वो थोड़ा सा अलग था. बिग डेटा, नोबडी एक्सपेक्टेड बिग डेटा से क्वेश्चन आएगा, बट क्वेश्चन आया बिग डेटा से. दो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन था. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दीज टॉपिक्स जो नए हैं, जो किसी ने कवर नहीं किए होंगे, दीज टॉपिक्स द क्वेश्चंस वर सो इजी कि अगर आपने एक रफली आपने रीड भी किया होगा ना, सो आपको अगर याद रहेगा, सो आप रफली रीडिंग से भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर देते. इट वाज सो इजी क्वेश्चंस. ER डायग्राम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, SQL वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कैंडिडेट की वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो जो क्वेश्चंस एक्स्ट्रा आए हैं, ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा के अलावा जो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, दीज क्वेश्चंस आर दोज क्वेश्चंस जो आप टॉपिक आप करते हो. ठीक है, आप रेगुलर बेसिस पे जिन क्वेश्चंस को ट्राई करते हो वो टॉपिक है. सो अगर आप डेटा माइनिंग और बिग डेटा को अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है बट आपने बाकी सारे टॉपिक्स कर लिए हैं तो इट इज गुड कि आप इसकी प्रिपरेशन शुरू आप कर सकते हो. बट अगर आपने बाकी जो मेजर टॉपिक्स हैं उन्हीं को टच नहीं किया है सो प्लीज कंप्लीट देम फर्स्ट एंड देन मूव टू दीज टॉपिक्स. ओके, ओएस से आया था डिस्क शेड्यूलिंग. डिस्क शेड्यूलिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. आई नोड, पेज रिप्लेसमेंट, टीएलबी, डिस्क सिस्टम. सो 10 क्वेश्चंस ओएस से आए आपके. ठीक है, डिस्क सिस्टम से 5 क्वेश्चंस आए थे, दैट वाज अ पैसेज टाइप. सो ओके, टीएलबी से क्वेश्चन आता ही है. टीएलबी इज अनदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट. पेज रिप्लेसमेंट बहुत इजी एंड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, हर बार क्वेश्चन आता ही है. आई नोट भी एक फॉर्मूले पे बेस्ड है आपका ये टॉपिक पूरा आई नोट. सो अगर नहीं पढ़ा है तो नो वरीज, आई नोट से क्वेश्चन आया है. एंड डिस्क शेड्यूलिंग ऑल्सो. सो ओएस से उन्होंने क्या छोड़ दिया, सीपीयू शेड्यूलिंग छोड़ दिया, डेडलॉक छोड़ दिया, right? So they did not touch those important topics but they have tried to balance the 10 questions from this. Software engineering se bhi jo questions aaye they were expected. Testing, one of the most important topic from your software engineering. Cohesion, UML diagram. UML diagram से basically students जो है वो question expect नहीं करते but आया. ठीक है, maintenance very easy. CMM another important topic. Reliability, function point, ये function point और LOC आपका question आता है इससे. एंड थोड़ा सा घूमा हुआ था LOC का question बट अगर थोड़ा ध्यान से पढ़ते, थोड़ा ध्यान से करते तो बहुत इजीली क्वेश्चन हो जाता. ठीक है, देन फ्रॉम डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम 8 क्वेश्चंस वर देयर इन ऑल टुगेदर एंड फ्रॉम एल्गोरिथम मेजॉरिटी क्वेश्चंस वर फ्रॉम टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. One question was from Prim's algorithm, one question from asymptotic notations, and 3 questions were from time complexity. Okay, and from data structure, BFS, DFS, trees and array. So no worries. ठीक है, so ये आपका इतना data structure algorithm तक का था. POC से and compiler, this makes one unit. Yes, and from this there were 12 questions. एम्बिगिटी, रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन की डिसाइडेबिलिटी, रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन के क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टीज. सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन हो गया, डिसाइडेबिलिटी हो गया. इसमें से भी कुछ ऐसा टॉपिक नहीं है जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट ना किया हो और वहां से क्वेश्चन आया हो. ठीक है, कंपाइलर डिजाइन से बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन था. सिंबल टेबल वेरी बेसिक. थ्योरी, इंटरमीडिएट कोड फॉर्म थ्योरी, कुछ भी नहीं था ऐसा जो आपने ना पढ़ा. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स 11 क्वेश्चंस. फ्लो कंट्रोल, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग से क्वेश्चन आया. अगेन एक नया, मतलब नया नहीं है बट हाँ, मोस्टली पीपल डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. फायरवॉल से क्वेश्चन आया. नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी से अराउंड 3-4 क्वेश्चन से. ओके, देन हैमिंग कोड, एरर करेक्शन का पार्ट है हैमिंग कोड. एंड from when this NTA took over this NET exam, so उस टाइम से ना आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की जो आपकी इंपॉर्टेंस है वो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गई है. ठीक है, सो अर्लियर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से 1-2 क्वेश्चंस आते थे बट नाउ यू कैन सी द वेटेज 7 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, राइट? एंड नथिंग, एवरी क्वेश्चन वाज मतलब जो आपके एल्गोरिथम्स आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की उन एल्गोरिथम्स बेस्ड थे क्वेश्चंस. कोई न्यूमेरिकल नहीं, फजी नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स में भी एड्रेसिंग छोड़ दी उन्होंने, एड्रेसिंग को एड्रेस भी नहीं किया. So addressing was left, but flow control was included and questions were very easy. Theory questions थे but easy थे. You could have done it if you would have studied the concept very nicely. Artificial intelligence is 7 questions and all were based on certain algorithms जो आपकी artificial intelligence में होती हैं. Okay, so this is the basic review of basic analysis you can say of your 2020 paper. So what you can understand is that कि जो उन टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस आए हैं जो हमें लगता है कि नहीं आएंगे इन टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन, बट द नंबर इज वेरी लेस एंड द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी. सो first we have to make first what should be a strategy now after seeing this analysis. What should be the strategy? The first strategy should be that first you have to complete the important topics. Okay, important topics means the topics that are for sure to be asked in exam. जैसे आपका डिस्क्रीट के जो टॉपिक्स हैं दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टीओसी के रेगुलर ग्रामर, रेगुलर लैंग्वेज, डिसाइडेबिलिटी, क्लोजर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग से नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. ओएस से आपका पेज रिप्लेसमेंट हो गया, मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट हो गया, कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर से आपका असेंबली लैंग्वेज का क्वेश्चन हो गया, पाइपलाइन हो गया. सो दीज आर सर्टेन टॉपिक्स जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और हमेशा पूछे जाएंगे. डीबीएमएस से आपका हो गया, यू कैन थिंक ऑफ योर नॉर्मलाइजेशन, कैंडिडेट की आपका कंसेप्ट हो गया. ठीक है, सो दीज आर सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि दे विल बी आस्क्ड. ठीक है। इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को कंप्लीट करने के बाद व्हाट शुड बी द सेकंड स्टेप? सेकंड स्टेप इज दैट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, रिवाइज, ठीक है। एंड विद रिवीजन यू कैन ऐड न्यू टॉपिक्स, ठीक है, एंड नॉट इन मच डिटेल, बट इतना यू शुड डू दैट कि इफ दे आस्क यू अ वेरी वेरी जनरल क्वेश्चन you should be able to do it. Not do not go in much detail for the new topics that you feel are new and we have not studied it. Just go through them. And third and very important step is practice. Practice as much as questions as you can, because while practicing, no, there are many concepts जो जब हम when we study we do miss those concepts, ठीक है, but when we practice questions, no, we try to find that new, okay, some new concepts are also there which we have missed when we were studying the topics. So, and what happens, no, you have studied a concept and you know it very nicely, but when you try to practice it on the question you are not able to apply that concept. So when you will have a practice, no, of more and more concepts, so you will be able to think logically that how will I implement this, how will I implement a topic on this question. So that is very very important. So with these three steps if you will follow, see, I won't tell you that how much hour you have to study, because every person has a different capability. Okay, for some people 5 hours is enough. For some people that 5 hours study is not enough, so they have to give at least 7 to 8 hours. And some people are okay with 2 hours only. So everyone has their own no capability. So I won't judge on that. I won't give you any suggestion on that. I will just tell you that these three are the steps that you have to follow. First, you have to complete all the important topics that are there, that are that you know you know, and we also tell you that they are very important topics, they should be given much priority, utmost importance they should be given, okay. Then with revision you can do the new topics that you feel. From new topics, data mining very important, बिकॉज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से कर लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज नाउ इट्स अ हाई टाइम कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के टॉपिक्स जो हैं दे आर गिविंग यू एंड दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आपको ये पता होंगे, ओके। मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जो आपका इसमें आपका कंप्लीट करना चाहिए। न्यू टॉपिक्स में आप कर सकते हो जैसे मल्टी प्रोसेसर कंसेप्ट हो गया, क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग हो गया, ठीक है, मोबाइल कंप्यूटिंग भी आपको थोड़ा बहुत पता होना चाहिए, जरूरी है। एंड रेस्ट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ XML HTML अच्छे से पढ़ लो, ठीक है, बिकॉज उनसे क्वेश्चंस हर साल आते हैं, एवरी ईयर दे आस्क क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम XML HTML एंड ऑल, ठीक है। सो ये तो हो गए आपके, ये स्ट्रैटेजी हो गई। अब ये तो आप अपने एंड से कर रहे हो, आई हैव प्लान समथिंग, ठीक है। व्हाट इज इट? फ्रॉम मंडे आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग दैट थिंग, that is basically 1 day 1 topic, okay। So what it is basically, we will take one topic, ठीक है, any topic, not necessarily from any one subject, any topic, ठीक है। Suppose I have taken regular expressions, if suppose my first topic for Monday is regular expressions, I'll tell you before 1 day prior on the group, जिससे कि आप रिवाइज कर सको अच्छे से, ठीक है। तो टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप है, डू ज्वाइन दैट सो दैट आई कैन इन्फॉर्म यू, बिकॉज आई विल बी इन्फॉर्मिंग यू ऑन दैट ग्रुप ओनली कि क्या हम पढ़ेंगे, सो दैट आप उसको अच्छे से रिवाइज कर सको। सो व्हाट वी विल डू अ क्विक रिविजन ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, ठीक है। और रिवीजन ऐसा होगा कि इफ यू हैव नॉट स्टडीड दिस टॉपिक, सो यू विल बी एबल टू एनालाइज कि क्या क्या है ये टॉपिक, कैसा है, क्या समझा रहे हैं इसमें, ठीक है। प्लस आफ्टर रिवीजन वी विल डू दी क्वेश्चंस, एंड क्वेश्चंस विल बी फॉर प्रैक्टिस पर्पस, मतलब इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो PYQs ही होंगे, दे कैन बी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनीवेयर बट रिलेटेड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक। सो आई हैव प्लान दिस दैट बिकॉज दिस विल हेल्प यू इन कैरिंग आउट योर रिविजन प्लस योर इम्पॉर्टेंट जो भी आपके टॉपिक इसमें जो है हमारे जो आपका डेटा माइनिंग के कंसेप्ट्स हैं, आई ट्राई टू ऐड दीज टॉपिक्स एज वेल। डेटा माइनिंग का जो आपके एल्गोरिथम्स हैं, AI की जो एल्गोरिथम्स हैं, उनमें से कोई सा भी एक टॉपिक, any day we can take any topic, 1 day 1 topic, ठीक है। So this is what I have planned and that's it for today, ठीक है। So every day we have a class at 6 PM, ठीक है। previous 1 week में class नहीं हुई थी, so now from Monday we will be having this, we will be starting this, and in between agar if there will be anything important, any new update that will be coming, definitely I'll be sharing it with you all. So please do join this Telegram group, Net, Ria, Digimento, okay। And on Digimento platform right now I am teaching computer networks, and it is about to get over. I'll be starting very soon with network security, and after that will be finished. So if you want to study that topic, please do join it, do take course, do and some other topics we will be covering over there also. So it will be good if you are thinking of studying in much detail. So please do join, and do join this telegram group. Please do join this telegram group, because if you will not join it, you won't be able to notified what I'm thinking of, what I'll be teaching tomorrow and all. Okay, so every day 6 p.m. we'll have the class, and this is the telegram group. And if you have any doubt, you can always message me on telegram. I'll be always present there with, I'm just one message away. So if you have any doubt, anything, you can always ask. And just study hard, practice questions, revise the concepts, and do join the class at 6 p.m. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.